All right, we are here again, back at it with Carhartt. We are excited. The kids are doing amazing jobs. They're coming up with their collection themes. They're taking big ideas from brainstorming and narrowing it down to one. They get to create a product collection for merit, so they get to take their innovative, creative ideas, what they believe merit is, and how it relates to them, and they get to turn it into a product collection with their logo, with their design.
Running, 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 yeah. Out here on run. Running, yeah. Watch out, here we come.
I love the fact that the students are getting real-world experience through their capstone projects. The fact that what they make is not just theoretical, that it actually becomes physical and turns into product that helps support the program is very unique. And again, it gives people the type of skills that they need to be successful when they get out into the working world.
We're working on our capstone project, and the Carhartt team is here to help us work on our collection theme that we feel would greatly represent Merit as a brand. So it's an interesting process to hear everyone's idea come up together with an overall theme.
Running, yeah. Out here on run. Running, yeah. Watch out, here we come. Running, yeah. Out here on the run. Running, yeah. Watch out, here we come.
I put like my all into it. In my group, we actually won our 10th grade year. So I saw like the process, like, okay, going from like different concepts to picking a person that your product is geared towards. I saw like the different steps you have to choose to be able to produce this item. I think they're doing great. Like, I hope they win so I can get bragging rights like, yeah, I won, and then my mentees won. And then I think they're gonna win. Well, I hope they win, because like the ideas they come up with, they think is all so sweet.
Left in the dust. Running, yeah. Out here on run. Running, yeah. Watch out, here we come.
And thank you to our Carhartt team that helped out the students today in creating and bringing their ideas to life. That's Ben, that's Andrea, that's Kobe, and then there's Jordan. We thank you all for today. We appreciate the hospitality, the great food, and what you guys did today. You guys rock. Thank you.